Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my 3-ingredient ham and cheese egg muffin. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 eggs, some chopped ham, and some of your favorite cheese. The ham is just chopped into small bite-sized pieces, and you can use any ham that you like. You can also use bacon or shredded chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is crack my eggs one at a time into a bowl, after which I'm going to season the eggs with some salt and some black pepper, and then I'm going to beat it. Just beat it. You all know the song, so sing along. Beat it. Just beat it. And then in goes my cheese and also the ham. And then you want to give it all a good mix because we're done with the animal cruelty for the day, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to take a ramekin and using my finger and some butter, grease the sides of the ramekin. This ensures that the egg won't stick to the sides and also you'll have a nice buttery taste to it. Now we're going to pour the egg and cheese and ham mixture into the ramekin. And once you've poured all that in, well, it's going to be time to cook it. And how are we going to do that? Well, option 1 is you pop the ramekin into the microwave for about 90 seconds. Or if you have an oven, then pop it into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius till the eggs are fully cooked through and the cheese is melted. In fact, while cooking, it's going to rise, and don't worry, it won't spill over or anything, but look, you can see the egg rising above the side of the ramekin. Anyway, once it's cooked, remove it from the oven and oh mama, that looks so good. Now it will collapse on cooling, so if that happens, don't panic, but just look at it. It's delicious. And you can also make this in bulk in like a muffin tray for your meal prep. Anyway, I'm going to sink my spoon into that and look at that stringy cheese action. It looks like Spider-Man has been around here. Look, it looks like his web, the string cheese. And also look at how fluffy and delicious that egg looks and that melted cheese. Oh yeah, that melted cheese. Anyway, this is cheesier than a boy band song, and enough jibber jabber, it's time to taste. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and do leave me a comment below and tell me what are you going to put in your omelette. Are you going to stick to ham and cheese or are you going to experiment a little bit? Anyway, let me know in the comments below, and if you like this recipe, do smash that like button, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you're a fan of Headbanger's Kitchen, grab some Headbanger's Kitchen merch like the t-shirt I'm wearing. The link to order it is in the video description box just below this video, along with the written recipe and the macros. So look below this video, you'll find everything. Oh yes you will. Horns up. Give it all a good mix. Ta-da.